you doing?
Too dark?
No, it ain't. What you doing?
Tractor.
Your tractor?
Yeah.
What do you got?
A candle. Pewter. Yeah, it's a pewter, huh?
Yeah.
You like pewters, don't you? Where's your duck call? You gotta do a duck for me. Can you do a duck again? No, I will.
Candles.
Candles. What's that smell like? What does it smell like? Like an apple?
Yeah.
Or a pumpkin, huh? One.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, yeah.
Light.
You want to turn your light on?
Yeah.
Whoop. Go find someplace dark and use your light.